Come on, TJ. Let's go pick up Tucker from his school. Hello, Jim. How are you today?
Great! Nice to see you, Grandma. And you too, TJ. Would you like me to help you cross the street, Grandma?
Yes, that would be nice. Thank you.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, TJ.
All right, everyone. Remember, wait here on the sidewalk. Don't follow me yet. I'll call you when it's safe to cross.
Okay, Jim.
Okay, everyone. Before we cross, remember, always look both ways.
Left. Right. No cars coming.
Good job, everyone. We're ready.
Can you walk the bike while you're crossing?
Yes, Mr. Jim.
Thanks for helping us cross safely, Jim.
Anytime. Stay safe, everyone.
Grandma, I learned something today. Always wait for the crossing guard and look both ways before we cross the street.
That's right, Tucker. Safety first.